Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Baby Shower Prizes is probably one of the most exciting parts of planning a baby shower, as it adds an element of fun and anticipation for your guests, making them feel appreciated and engaged throughout the celebration. Thoughtfully chosen prizes can elevate the entire event, turning a simple gathering into a memorable occasion filled with laughter and friendly competition. These small tokens of appreciation not only thank your guests for sharing in your joy but also serve as delightful reminders of the special day they attended, ensuring everyone leaves with a smile and a positive memory of the mom-to-be's celebration. Selecting the perfect prize is an art, balancing thoughtfulness with practicality to ensure each guest receives something they'll genuinely enjoy and appreciate. Number 5. Kate Aspen Baby Shower Guest Book Frame. Looking for a special way to capture memories at your baby shower? This charming frame offers a unique alternative to a traditional guest book. This beautiful decoration is designed to be a cherished keepsake, allowing you to remember your special day for years to come. You can display it proudly on a wall or shelf. It comes with rustic wooden hearts, perfect for guests to leave their signatures and well wishes. The included instruction card makes it easy for everyone to participate in this boho chic style. Let your loved ones share their advice, well wishes, and words of wisdom. It's a wonderful way to collect heartfelt messages that you'll treasure. Crafted from wood with a clear acrylic window, this frame features elegant gold text that reads, "Baby Love." It adds a touch of sophistication to your celebration. The frame measures 11.0 w x 13.0 h x 0.7 d, with wooden hearts and a tent card sized perfectly for guest interaction and display. What we like? This frame offers a unique alternative to traditional guest books. It's perfect for those who want a keepsake that doubles as decor. If you're looking for a stylish and lasting memento of the baby shower, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The prizes were a hit at the baby shower, with guests loving the variety and quality. These prizes were perfect for our baby shower, offering a good mix of useful and fun items that guests were excited to win. We used these for our baby shower and the guests were delighted with the selection. They made the game so much more engaging. Number 4. EIGTWEN Baby Shower Game Sign Kit. Make your baby shower unforgettable with this fun and engaging game kit. It's designed to create a lively party atmosphere right from the start. This comprehensive set includes a decorative sign, a wooden box, blank wooden blocks, and acrylic paint pens. It provides everything you need for creative and fun activities. Ideal for baby showers, first birthdays, and other special occasions. These playful items are sure to bring joy and create lasting memories for all your guests. Crafted with care, the wooden pieces have smooth, polished surfaces, ensuring safety for everyone. The included paint pens are also made with quality materials for confident use. Designed to be lightweight and perfectly sized, both children and adults can easily handle and enjoy these interactive elements. They are easy to pick up and use. Unleash your creativity by decorating the wooden blocks to match your theme. It's a fantastic way to add a personal touch and entertain your guests with the funniest games ever. What we like? This kit provides a fun, interactive crafting experience for your guests. It's ideal for showers where you want guests to actively participate and create something. If you love DIY projects and want a game that doubles as an activity, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The prizes were a hit at the baby shower, with guests complimenting the variety and quality. These prizes were perfect for our baby shower, offering a good mix of useful and fun items that guests enjoyed receiving. We loved using these as prizes for our baby shower games. They were well received by everyone and added a special touch to the celebration. Number 3. Hoteam Baby Shower Game Set. Get ready for an unforgettable baby shower. This set provides everything you need for engaging games and delightful decorations. You'll receive a charming wooden sign and 20 pairs of adorable socks. Use them together or separately to perfectly suit your party needs. Crafted from durable wood and soft, comfortable cotton, these items are built to last. Enjoy a wonderful experience with confidence. The sign is a great tabletop size, and the socks are designed for comfort. They add a special touch to your celebration. These fun games are sure to entertain your guests. Create a lively atmosphere and make your party truly memorable. Ideal for baby showers and gender reveals, they also serve as charming decorations. Display them proudly as unique crafts. What we like. This set brings a classic and engaging game to your baby shower. It's great for parties that want a straightforward, fun activity for everyone. If you're planning a gender reveal or a shower with a playful theme, this game is a guaranteed hit. What people say. The prizes were a hit at the baby shower, with guests loving the variety and quality. These prizes were perfect for our baby shower, adding a fun element to the games. Everyone enjoyed receiving these prizes, making the baby shower even more memorable. Number 2. Sonogram Signature Frame Ultrasound Keepsake. Capture the joy of seeing your baby for the first time. This frame allows guests to leave heartfelt messages, turning a simple picture into a cherished memory. This frame comes ready to display with a white plastic frame and a silver marker. You can hang it on the wall or stand it on a table or dresser. Add this unique item to your baby registry. It makes a creative and memorable gift for baby showers and doubles as charming party decor. Perfect for your baby shower setup or as a lovely addition to your nursery. This frame complements any decorating style and is sure to be noticed. Measuring 9.25-inch W x 11.5-h, it perfectly fits a 4W x 5-h ultrasound image. It's the ideal size to capture that very first glimpse of your little one. What we like. This frame captures the very first glimpse of the baby and allows guests to leave messages. It's perfect for first-time parents who want a deeply personal keepsake. If you're looking for a gift that's both sentimental and decorative for the nursery, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These are perfect for baby shower prizes. The items are cute and well-made, perfect for baby shower prizes. Great value for the price, and the guests love them. Number 1. Hearty Don't Say Baby Game, Pink. Transform your baby shower into an unforgettable celebration with this fun and hilarious game. It's a unique activity and decoration that fits any theme. This set comes with everything you need for a fantastic time. You'll receive a stylish sign and plenty of mini clothespins for all your guests. Get ready for laughter and bonding with this easy-to-play game. It's a perfect icebreaker for any baby shower, especially for girls. No complicated setup required. Just open the box and let the fun begin. It's a hit with adults and co-ed parties alike. This game is designed to help you create cherished memories. Add it to your baby shower gifts for an extra element of excitement. Crafted with care from high-quality, thick matte cardstock, it's built to last through hours of fun and excitement. With clear instructions and all necessary components, setup is a breeze. Spend less time planning and more time enjoying the festivities. What we like. This classic game is a guaranteed way to bring laughter and interaction to your shower. It's perfect for hosts who want a simple yet hilarious icebreaker. If you enjoy games that encourage guests to mingle and playfully tease each other, this is a must-have. What people say. The prizes were a hit at the baby shower, guests loved them. Great variety of items included, something for everyone. Perfect size for party favors, not too big or too small. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.